Welcome, everyone. Today's topic is an exciting one that could potentially change your life as a student. Picture this. You're balancing your studies, social life, and potentially a part-time job. But what if there was a way to add an extra $10,000 to your bank account in the year 2024? Intrigued? You should be. We're about to embark on a journey exploring multiple methods and strategies that can help you achieve this financial goal. Each method we discuss will come with its own set of steps and requirements, tailored for you, the ever-busy student. From freelancing to online tutoring, selling products online, and even participating in research studies, we've got a lot to cover. Before we dive into the methods, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Your support helps us create more content like this. Now let's get started. The first method we are going to look at is freelancing. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is freelancing? Well, in a nutshell, freelancing is all about offering your unique skills or services to clients on a project-by-project basis. It's like being your own boss, setting your own schedule, and choosing the projects you want to work on. The beauty of freelancing is that it allows you to leverage your existing skills. Whether you're a whiz at graphic design, a wordsmith, a coding guru, or a master of foreign languages, there is a high demand for your skills out there. And the best part? You can work right from the comfort of your own home or dorm room. But where do you find these freelance gigs? That's where online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr come into play. These platforms serve as a marketplace where clients can find freelancers and vice versa. After signing up, you'll create a profile showcasing your skills, experience, and portfolio. Think of it as your digital resume, a space where you can sell yourself and your services to potential clients. Once you've set up your profile, it's time to start bidding on projects. This process can be a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry. Start small, perhaps with smaller projects that match your skills, and gradually work your way up as you gain more experience and positive reviews. Remember, each project you complete successfully not only earns you money, but also builds your reputation on the platform. The higher your reputation, the more likely you are to land bigger and better projects. Plus, as you continue to work on different projects, you'll also be building up your skills and experience, which can be a great boost for your future career. So, if you're a student with a particular skill or talent, don't let it go to waste. Put it to good use by venturing into freelancing. Not only will you earn some extra cash, but you'll also gain invaluable experience and potentially kickstart your career. Freelancing is a fantastic way to start earning money, especially if you have a particular skill or talent that is in demand. The second method to make money as a student is through online tutoring. This method is particularly potent because it allows you to leverage your own academic knowledge to help others, while simultaneously earning some extra cash. So how does one become an online tutor? The process is simpler than you might think. There are numerous online platforms dedicated to linking tutors with students in need. Websites like Chegg, tutor.com, or even broader platforms like Upwork and Fiverr all offer opportunities for you to kickstart your tutoring journey. Once you've chosen a platform, the next step is setting up your profile. You need to showcase your academic strengths, areas of expertise, and any relevant experience you might have. Keep in mind, your profile is your pitch to potential students. It's your chance to convince them that you're the right tutor for their needs. But what about the actual tutoring sessions? Well, these can be conducted in various ways. Some tutors prefer one-on-one video calls, while others might opt for group sessions. The format you choose depends on your comfort level and the needs of your students. Remember, the key is to provide value. The more value you provide, the more you'll be able to charge for your services. Now, let's delve into the marketing aspect. Word of mouth is a powerful tool. If you provide quality service, your students will likely recommend you to others. But don't stop there. Promote your services on social media, in online study groups, or even on your school's online notice board. The more visibility you have, the more students you'll attract. Online tutoring is an effective way to earn money while reinforcing your own knowledge. As you explain concepts to others, you're also solidifying your understanding of these concepts, making you a more competent student. Online tutoring not only helps you earn money, but it also reinforces your own knowledge, making you a better student. The third method to earn money is by selling products online. This is a fantastic opportunity for those of you who are crafty or have a knack for finding treasures in the rough. There are several platforms where you can set up shop. Etsy is a great place to sell handmade items. Perhaps you're an artist, a jewelry maker, or a master of knitting. If so, Etsy can be your new best friend. Then there's eBay. You can sell virtually anything, including second-hand items. Got a stack of old comic books gathering dust? Or maybe a vintage jacket that's no longer your style? Put them on eBay and turn your clutter into cash. Amazon, on the other hand, is perfect for those interested in dropshipping. What's dropshipping, you ask? Simply put, it's a business model where you sell products directly from the manufacturer or wholesaler. You don't need to stock any inventory, and the supplier handles the shipping. Setting up an online store is easier than you might think. All three platforms have clear instructions to guide you through the process. Once your store is up and running, the next step is sourcing products. If you're making handmade items, you need to ensure you have a steady supply of materials. For second-hand items, thrift stores and garage sales are gold mines. And if you're drop shipping, you need to find a reliable supplier with products that people want to buy. But having a store and products to sell isn't enough. You need to bring customers to your store. This is where marketing comes in. Social media is an effective way to reach potential customers. You can also use SEO, or search engine optimization, to make your store more visible in online searches. Remember, the key to successful selling is to offer products that people want, at a price they're willing to pay, and with a shopping experience that keeps them coming back. Selling products online can be a fun and rewarding way to make money, especially if you have a product that people love. The final method we will discuss is participating in research studies. In the vast and varied landscape of the internet, you might be surprised to discover that there's a wealth of research studies just waiting for participants like you. These studies, often conducted by universities, market research companies, or even large corporations, are always on the lookout for fresh perspectives. And the best part? They're willing to pay for your time and feedback. So how do you find these studies? Well, a good starting point is to check out university websites. Many institutions have dedicated pages where they post about ongoing or upcoming research studies that require participants. You could also explore online platforms like Prolific or Respondent, which connect researchers with willing participants. Once you've found a study that piques your interest, the next step is to understand what's expected of you. This typically involves completing a task or answering a series of questions. The nature of the study will dictate what you'll be doing. It could be anything from testing a new app, participating in a psychological study, or even just giving feedback on a product or service. Now onto the part you're probably most curious about: the payment. The compensation you receive will differ depending on the study. Some pay a set amount for your time, while others offer payment per task completed. The more complex the study, the higher the payment tends to be. And remember, the payment is usually made after the study is completed and your participation has been verified. There's something immensely satisfying about knowing that your input is helping to shape the future of industries, technologies, and academic fields. Plus, the financial incentive isn't too shabby either, so there you have it. A method that not only allows you to earn some extra cash, but also gives you the chance to contribute to important research. Participating in research studies can be a great way to earn some extra money, while also contributing to important research. Well, there you have it. 4 methods to make $10,000 as a student in 2024. Let's recap these strategies. Freelancing, a versatile choice, allows you to offer your skills from writing to graphic design to clients worldwide. Next, we have online tutoring, an excellent option if you excel in a particular subject and enjoy teaching others. Then, we dove into selling products online. This method requires creativity and a keen understanding of your target market, but the payoff can be substantial. Lastly, we explored participating in research studies. These studies often pay well for your time and can range from answering surveys to more involved medical research. Each method offers its own unique opportunities and challenges. It's up to you to determine which one aligns best with your skills, interests, and time commitments. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. So choose a method, take that first step, and start your journey towards making $10,000. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.